Hey everyone, it's your favorite niece here, and I'm gonna give out some shout outs, but let me see if this mic works. If it doesn't work, I'm gonna put it down.
It works.
Alright. How did Kim Kardashian tell her kids that they are separate? North, my relationship with West went south. First, let me test my knowledge to see if I know where you guys live too. And there are no other of the names. My favorite Cha-Cha, Reza from Canada. Beauty of Roses and Thorns, aka Auntie Sharda from Canada. Auntie Jean from Florida. Cecilia Prasad, I'm not sure where she is, but she's also a big fan of the channel. Auntie Bibi, aka Honest Opinion from Florida. Uncle Om Singh right here in New Jersey. Auntie Honey J from Canada. Uncle Derek Rambilas from Connecticut. I'm not 100% sure. Sorry if I make a mistake. He's from Connecticut. Auntie Sita Bihari from Guyana. Auntie Cindy Pancho from Trinidad. Auntie Nisha Razak. I think she lives somewhere here in the U.S. Auntie Annie Persad right here in the U.S. also. Auntie Skena Persad from Canada. Cuz Vake, New York. Auntie Leela Budu, I'm not sure. Life with Dave and Trish, Florida. Auntie Buck from New York. Auntie Maria Mahadeo. Auntie Bibi Rafik, not sure. Auntie Susie Hines from New Jersey. Mr. Christopher Bristol, Guyana. And here are the Facebook commenters. They are Auntie Sita Butt from Florida. Derek Bihari right here in the U.S. Auntie Sanita J, Gahamandi, Texas. So family, this was from the last video. Don't feel bad if I didn't mention your name. I will definitely get you in the next video. Bye for now.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.
It's your local family with Rita and Krishna.
I hope everyone is having a good day.
Thank you in advance for watching, and we hope that you enjoy this video.
Please subscribe to our channel
And share with everyone.
Yes, family. So today we're making some of Ethan's favorite here. What are we making, Ethan? Curry chicken, right? So I'm trying to show Ethan how this step is done here. Ethan said this thing I eat good, but he never really watched fully how we cook this thing. So I told him we got some oil, we got some onion and pepper, right? So that's been frying up for a little bit here. Here I have the other ingredients, curry powder, masala. I went over this already off camera with him. Grind garlic, green seasoning,
curry leaf.
So, once you see you get a little bit stiffen up like that, you add a little bit of water. And you call it chunky. You let the curry chunky hit.
You smell on there, right?
It smells good, right? So now you
That's sneezing my pack, you know.
when you go to school, right, and they give you chicken, it'll taste like this, right? Because of this curry flavor. So all is here is the magic that make it taste like that. And we're not really doing a chicken curry on the show today. We have other stuff, so stay tuned for that, right? I'm just.
But that's what we're cooking for dinner for us.
This is what we're cooking for dinner, but this is not the main stuff.
Requested by Ethan.
Yeah, this is requested by Ethan. Ethan is enjoying.
Ethan, you're not gonna say nothing, bye. Why are you so quiet? Cat, get your tongue.
What do you want to say? Say hello to everybody. How is everyone doing?
Guys,
Say how is everyone doing?
how's everyone doing?
How are you doing? How are you spending your summer?
Good day.
Good day?
Good day or good month? Or good times?
Yeah, good time.
Alright. Having fun, right? It's a little bit too hot for you or it's okay?
It's okay.
Okay. Alright, so we let this chunky for a little bit here, right? See? I give it a little bit extra water, but that's okay. No problem. So Ethan is the new video cameraman. Come in here and see what's going on here. See here, I told you, right? The chicken is gonna lose some fat first. So we'll let that burn out for a little bit, then we'll add the gravy in. So I think we're gonna let this go for maybe 3-4 more minutes and let this burn out for a little bit here, right? Once this is burned out, we'll add the water in to make gravy and cover it so all the chicken can boil and be nice and soft, right? So let me know how Ethan is doing, guys, behind the camera. It's a new cameraman. Rita is a little bit busy we'll show you guys what she's doing now. Yes, family. So look what I got here. Today lemon been on sale. We're not supposed to make lime sour, but because we find lemon on sale, 5 for $2, right? Big sale.
Yeah, check it out, real nice.
So Miss let me buy some on neck. I buy on $4 worth here. And the tree also downloaded.
No, $3. Oh, $4, yeah, sorry.
And my lemon trees are also downloaded, so I'm using some from here. Ethan got the matching shirt to go with it there, right? Ethan is ready to cut there. Here, this is how I'm cutting it. Cut out the head and the tail there. Cut this in two and pass it on to Ethan. Ethan is squeezing it there. I know some people want to keep the juice, right? We prefer to squeeze the juice out because the lemon is bitter already. You don't want it over bitter. So whatever juice we squeeze out, they will make it up with the pepper and the garlic. And see how nice we cut up the pepper there, nice and
Chunky.
And the garlic
And
is
the
there ready to
garlic.
go. And these are the ingredients. We got vinegar and we got salt, right? Very simple. And I'm gonna go pretty fast today because I got help.
Ooh, big man power. And the purpose of squeezing out the lemon juice is because it's not going to be that bitter, right? That's why we're doing it. And everybody do it different. But this is how we do it, and it
Comes
comes
out really good, tastes good, full of flavor. Does the job, right?
Yeah. You gotta hurry up, man. Krishna, Ethan.
Ethan is staying ahead of the game.
Yeah.
Good job, good job. So, I'm helping out Ethan here. I finished cutting it up, so I said let me take over. He's squeezing. Ethan was doing a good job, but give him a little break. Rita is cutting this up. See how small you're cutting those up? Come in, Ethan, and show how she's cutting it up. Real nice, that's the size, but that doesn't really matter. Depends on your liking, right? How you want it. So, cut this in half, squeeze out the juice, and then Rita is chipping those up.
Yeah, I'm cutting it. Get in here, Ethan. You see, we're cutting it really nice because I like to eat my lemon with the skin on it. And the way I do it, I love it. I know a lot of people love it too. But this batch, guys, I'm not giving anybody. I'm sorry. Because I know when I make it, I always have to give it out. So this batch
This batch is all for you.
Yeah.
Maybe later on in the fall or so, or late in the summer, we'll probably make some to give away.
Because this go nice with any fried fish. What
Any
else?
fish.
Any fish. Because we cook a lot of fish.
Alright guys, let's check on Princess Jenna. What are you eating?
Roti dal with some pepper sauce.
Delicious.
See how we cut up the lemon there to the size that we like. This
Real
is
nice.
the lemon juice that we got out of it. So we're gonna keep this. We can use it to wash fish and stuff like that. This here is the ground garlic, and that's the pepper. Rita cut it up to my size there. We have vinegar here, and I have some salt. Like I said, that would be my ingredients. I'm gonna warm up this water for a little bit, and then we'll go in with this chipped up or cut up lemon there. Put it in the
And I
bowl.
know we make lemon sauce or lime sour 2 times. But today we're gonna do a different twist to it, right?
Right. Alright, so I got my water warm up here. I'm gonna go in with the chipped up lemon. Doesn't matter how much water you have. Anyway, we just need enough to make everything come to a boil. And we're not gonna boil this for too long, right?
With 50 minutes.
Yeah, within 10 to 15 minutes, I'll say the most.
Krishna, what do you call it? Lemon or lime?
I know you call it lime. I'm calling it lemon sauce. I mean lemon sour. I know the saying is lime sour, but you can use lime too if you want, but we prefer to use the lemon. It's a little bit more milder and more flavorful. I mean, that's
and
my
this-
opinion, right?
And the state here, you find it harder. Like back home, you have the lime is more different from here, right?
Lime is lime, but lemon is easier to get here, I think, compared to the lime. Yep. But anyway, this is good. I mean, this is what we like.
Yes.
More flavorful to me.
And we got Ethan. What are you doing, Ethan?
Eating chicken curry and rice.
Yeah, that's one of Ethan's favorite, right? Enjoy, Ethan. How is it?
Good.
Spicy? Oh, because your sister asked for a lot of pepper. She put like 10 wee pepper in the curry. It's okay. Drink water and cool it down, right? Enjoy, Ethan.
So yes guys, so this has been boiling for about 15 minutes. So if you want to know, you just check it, see how soft it's cutting there. It means it's good enough.
Oh yeah. It's good.
So I'm going to turn this off and strain it out. So we have the lemon strained out here already. I boil it, strain it out. I'm going to go in with a decent amount of white vinegar. You need to give it a decent amount so it can preserve. And it's going to soak in some of it, right? Alright, here I got my grind garlic. I didn't grind it all the way down, I just make it a little bit chunky so it can be flavorful in there. Not gonna go with all of it. Mix this up.
Chunk the garlic.
Yep. So you can get to eat the garlic when you get the lemon or the lime sauce out. And here I got my pepper. About how much pepper is this? About 15 or so, right? Rita was cutting this up.
Yes.
So yeah.
And it's habanero.
Yes, habanero pepper. You got some nice fresh one here. It's not the really pepper. So check that out there. Oh man, smelling real strong here with this pepper. Look at that. It's already looking chatak matak here. Alright, so I got that in. Now I'm gonna give it some salt, some more preservative beside the vinegar. Alright, so based on the amount that I have here, look like I'm gonna go in with all the garlic. And it's based on average, there's no specific amount. It's to your liking, right? So I'm gonna go in with all the garlic. I'm also gonna use a little bit of this juice here. Not a lot. I'll save some of it for cleaning fish and stuff like that. And I'm gonna give it a little bit more vinegar. It seems like it's a little bit less. And every time I make it a little bit different. Be experimenting, trying different stuff out, right? This is looking good there. Smelling real good. Ready for some nice fish to go along with this there. Check this out. Come in here, zoom in here. Let's check this out there. See how nice this is looking there? Ready to go with some nice fried fish and dal and rice. Alright? So making of the lime sour is the easy part, right? Now this is the fun part here, to get it in the bottle. And you see how the color is changing the more you let it sit. I let this sit for about maybe 15 or 20 minutes, and you see the color is starting to be vibrant there. Looking real good.
The green ones are the green pepper, right?
Yeah, the green ones are the green pepper. The green color that you're seeing here, that's from the green pepper. I have some green pepper mixed in there with the red ones, but that's fine.
The green habanero, right? So I'm gonna let you do that.
Yep. So I'll show you guys once I finish bottle it and how much it comes out to.
Actually, I put juice too.
Yeah, I'm trying to get a mixture of both. So this is how much I got. I finished bottling it up. I got 3 bottles here. So this is gonna last me about maybe 1 per month. So I'm good for 3 months. What do you think?
Mm-mm-mm.
Okay, when Rita come in, it's 2 week. So we got 6 week worth of supply here.
And the green one is the green pepper. That's what
Yep,
we get
the
from
green
the
habanero pepper. So this is looking real good here. Let me close it up. I'm using the grease paper,
the parchment.
parchment paper to close it. Because I have the metal cap here, so the vinegar don't eat on the metal, right? So we got one now. Two down. That's it. This is ready to go there. I'm gonna have to do some fish. We're gonna enjoy some nice lime sour or lemon sour and fried fish. Alright? Thank you guys for watching. Be safe. See you in the next video.
Yes, family, let me show you an update of this garden. Look, pimento pepper, blooming, blooming. And the seasoning, tree is so huge. Check it out. And family, did you guys remember I was worried about the pepper plant? They were so short. But look, downloaded with pepper. Ain't bad, I make pepper though, you know, man. The pepper are like on the bottom, but it downloaded. I was worrying. But no need to worry. No need to worry. Check it out, family. Real nice. And this is the other two pimento pepper plant, and it's downloaded. But the pimento pepper, I noticed those three are short. See the length of it? This one get one bite. I gotta fix that one. So yes, family, check it out. Downloaded. Real nice.
Put on your dancing shoes.